Alright, so as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be going over our 100K strategy that you can use for affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, your clothing brand, whether you promote your own course. Really don't matter what you're doing, it's pretty much a work across the board. This is what a lot of people have been doing successfully for years. I just kind of put it all together in a step-by-step format that you can replicate for sure by the end of this video. So before we get into this video, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, man, turn on post notifications. Subscribe and turn on post notifications, because I'm going to be dropping videos like this pretty much every single day. So, and lastly, for those of you that's interested, I got my 5-course bundle deal going on right now. You can get access to it after you get done watching this video. So now without further ado, let's get straight into it. So as you can tell at the top, man, my daily goal with this 100K strategy, all about content syndication and making sure I got ads running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. What content syndication is making sure I'm posting on Facebook, posting on my Instagram, posting on my YouTube channel consistently and effectively. And all while I'm doing that, making sure I'm having ads running, you know, whether it's Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, no matter what. As long as I got ads running and I'm posting content every single day, following this strategy, I should be able to hit my goal of 30K per month within the next 3 months if I stay consistent at it. And as you can see right here in my notes, basically posting 3 times per day on my Instagram so I can grow my followers and build that KLT. For those that don't know, KLT is the know, like, and trust. You ask yourself, why did you buy my course? Because I know majority of y'all watching this bought my course before. So what made you buy my course? Because you got to know me through watching my videos, posting, and all that stuff. You started to like me, you know, from just being authentic and just being myself and stuff like that. And then trust. You see me uploading my income proof. You see other people success stories and things like that. So when you can successfully do that, you can get anybody to buy anything from you. It's just like how it works. And like I said, with me posting 3 times per day on Instagram and running Facebook ads to promote my value posts and my remarketing ads. Like I said, I'm going to show examples of all this stuff and how you can do the same thing. And bonus is recording and uploading a YouTube video per day. So the fact that you're even watching this is me sticking to my strategy and, you know, posting 3 times per day, running Facebook ads, and uploading a YouTube video every day. And like at the bottom, success comes from your daily routine and not one and done method. So the whole getting rich overnight, the, you know, shiny object, the get rich quick stuff, basically, leave that alone, man. Build you a system that you can implement every single day and, you know, kind of have a 3-month goal, a 6-month goal, a 12-month goal to hitting it. And I know from experience, I was doing this with my YouTube. I was, you know, making YouTube videos every single day and running YouTube ads to promote those videos. And I noticed I got a lot of success faster than just posting YouTube videos, trying to get it to rank and all that stuff. When you're doing, I noticed when you're doing both at the same time is literally like printing money. You just got to stay consistent at it. That's the whole thing to it. So now what I want to do is basically show you a real life example of me doing this strategy right now and getting results. So me just starting this, implementing this system today, actually, I already made my first sale doing this strategy and it was like the easiest thing ever. You can see right now on my page, I got over 30. I just kind of started this page not too long ago. But I got 33 posts, and today I only made 2 posts so far. This right here, just a value post. My #1 way to make money online, swipe, is to just get started. Now let me explain. I know it sounds cliche, but one thing that I noticed about people who's getting results in their business and the ones that's not, you know, buying course after course, watching hundreds of YouTube videos, different businesses every week, not getting you anywhere. And I'll go to the next slide, just the last one. Lock in on one thing and stick to it. Ready to take action on your online business? Click the link in my bio to get instant access to my 5-course bundle right now for only $30. Very, very simple, straight to the point. Just a few slides offering value to my niche. And I don't feel like reading all this, to be honest, but whatever. Don't let the hype in social media stop you from getting started. You won't ever have it all figured out in the beginning. Start with what you got, where you are. Ready to build your online business, basically another call to action. I only got 10 likes on this post. I posted this 4 hours ago and I already got a sale in my Stripe account, as you can see. And the second post that I posted today is just a regular quote, lifestyle type of thing. Small circle, but miss us with the small talk. We chasing more life this way. Simple. And the third post that I got today, that's the one I was actually expecting to sell from. I wasn't even expecting to sell from these 2. So I already pretty much scheduled my 2 posts. I don't post manually no more. I just noticed it's more convenient and productive for me to basically use apps like this called Post Early, where I can basically schedule all of my posts. So if I end up putting together like 21 different posts, I can schedule 3 a day for the next week and I'm good to go. I don't even have to worry about Instagram for a whole entire week. So that's kind of how I want to do, is get caught up on that. Now with that Facebook ad strategy I was talking about, to basically scale, my Instagram posts up, is running Facebook ads to my existing posts. And I did this before, and I was getting a lot of good success with it. I think I lost my ad account or something, so I had to basically start over. Here it is, right here. This is where I started. As you can see, on average, my posts only get like 20 to 50 likes per post, as you can tell. Now this one got 3,400 likes, 33 comments. This one, a lot of y'all probably brought my course from this post. Almost 3K in just 2 weeks. This one I was promoting ClickBank products a few months ago. It was basically breaking down a simple process. You need to sell something. You don't have your own product. You join an affiliate network, create a website, send traffic, basically more details on the traffic, and then a call to action. Anyone can do this. You don't need your own product. Grab my course while it's on sale for only $37. And I added some scarcity. This deal will only be available for the next 27 people. This is not a scarcity tactic. Now, that was my initial ad that I was running to get people, to basically get new followers and stuff. And then people that engaged with this post, I went and made a remarketing ad. Where is it? Right here. Here's some of my student testimonials, people that basically took my courses over the years and got a lot of results. You can see from the caption, I got hundreds of testimonials and stuff like that. And I just basically send them a call to action at the end. Click the link in my bio, get instant access to this bundle deal. And this was back in February when I was running this strategy. And it was working very good. So now I'm running it again. I've made some mistakes that I've corrected, and I feel like I'm going to have a lot of success this time and get into my 30K a month, 100K in 3 months, the whole gist. And if I go to my Facebook ad account, this is actually a live ad that is going to be running. I got it scheduled for midnight. You can see big figures on my Instagram and whatnot. So completely starting from scratch. Y'all get to see me literally start from the beginning, from the ground up, day one, get into 30K a month with selling my online course. And how you can do the same thing. If you don't have your own product or service, of course, you can go promote affiliate products like ClickBank, stuff from Max Bounty. You could promote it the same exact way. All I'm doing is offering value every single day and running Facebook ads to basically bring the audience. And, building that KLT, the know, like, and trust factor with the new audience over time. So you got some people that see your ad and buy it the same day. You got some people that see it and buy it a week later, a month later. It all adds to your income at the end of the day. And a lot of people give up because, just because people don't buy it the first day, that the offer is trash. No, there's a lot of people that even brought my course and really felt like my course had the most impact on them, that brought it months later though. So it's really no time period on it. That's why I said with providing value every single day, it's almost irresistible. And if you don't have your own product to promote, you can go to Instagram pages like this. If you don't want to promote ClickBank or Max Bounty offers, this is something new that I never really talked about on my YouTube channel, where you can basically go to people like me or other independent course creators and go and promote their products and get 50% commissions. I've been lazy on creating my own affiliate program and stuff because it just take a little bit to set up. But I should be having that set up within the next week to a point where y'all can promote the same exact thing that I'm promoting and just make y'all life a little bit easier. Maybe you can get some success for the first time promoting affiliate offers. But here's the example I was talking about right here. You can go on pages like this, the brand startup, look for people that's promoting their course. As you can see, she basically did the same thing I did. How you can make $3,000 per month for free by collecting emails, leads. Side hustle, you can start in 48 hours, sign up for Max Bounty, create a landing page, her results. If you want to learn this strategy, basically a call to action. She literally doing the same exact thing that I'm doing. So scroll down, just show y'all again. I showed my results and then broke it down in steps. Very, very simple. And what she's doing is, going on big pages, big Instagram pages and advertising rather than Facebook ads. She might be running Facebook ads, I don't know. But if you go to her page, you can see she's posting similar things I'm posting, giving out value every day. You can see, go to my other, what is affiliate marketing, tools you need, top 5 reasons you failing. Same thing. You go look at her posts, it's pretty much the same thing that she's doing. It's a lot of people doing this exact strategy and it's making 6 and 7 figures, literally just providing value and bringing a new audience by running Facebook ads or YouTube ads or whatever the case may be. If you click the link in her bio, I'm going to show y'all real quick before I go to the next part of the video. You scroll down, her course is $35, but if you scroll down, the ebook commission guide, how you can earn 50% commissions every time you share Commission Academy, which is her course. So you're earning 50% commissions on a high converting product with no competition, and the platform that you're using, which is Gumroad, they pay out weekly. So I think you get paid every single Friday or whatever. So if you're on the low budget, you can easily reinvest into traffic rather than, oh, by the time you even get paid from ClickBank, it's been almost a month later. By the time you even get that money, you got to spend it on other stuff. But with this, you can actually run ads consistently, even at a low budget, which is why I recommend going with independent course creators like myself and people like her. Now, that's pretty much the 100K strategy in itself. I pretty much went over everything. Like I said, the whole thing is providing valuable content every single day across multiple platforms, which is content syndication, and just making sure you got ads running to basically go and promote those valuable posts. And doing that, you can come up with your own income goal. This is mine, getting to 30K a month within 3 months by posting 3 times a day at least on Instagram and building that know, like, and trust, and running Facebook ads to promote my posts and run remarketing ads. And on top of that, just to work a little bit harder, record and upload 1 YouTube video per day. Now, bonus, before I close the video out, I wanted to show y'all a quick and easy way for those of you guys promoting affiliate products or whatever. It's an easy way you can rip people's landing pages. By simply typing in this code. You can just say site:/ClickFunnels.com space, and you could put whatever keyword that you want right here. So say for instance you in the manifestation niche, you can, or you know what, woodworking. Let's say you in the woodworking niche. I know those by the back of my hand. Just hit search, and if you scroll down, it's gonna show you all the people that basically created landing pages surrounded woodworking. So for those of you that hate creating landing pages, don't know how to, don't know what a good landing page looks like, easily, I just opened those 3 in a new tab. I'm gonna go check them out myself. They ain't pay their ClickFunnels bill. As you can see, this is a very detailed landing page. You can literally copy it word for word if you want to. I don't really recommend that, but a lot of these people don't pay their ClickFunnels bills, but you can still see behind it, kind of, and yeah, basically come up with your own landing page. This is pretty much how I come up with my landing pages. I don't really do everything from scratch no more. I just kind of replicate what's already working, go from there. But yeah, man, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, man. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, letting me know if y'all want more content like this. For those of you that's new to my channel, subscribe, turn on post notifications if you enjoyed the content. And you can go grab that 5-course bundle right now while it's on sale. But that's pretty much all I got for this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.